I appreciate my in the United States of America and across the world. Let me tell you something, this young fly. You're talented, yes, you're natural. Look who I'm with. Do you see young fly?
Yes, sir.
Yo, thank you, man. Thank you.
No,
yo, this is the
Doctor, give me his name, doctor. But let's not get off track.
No.
Your real name is Brad.
A prediction. My area is like linguistics. I like linguistics because if you study humor or comedy, humor or comedy is really predicated. The fundamental nature of comedy is predicated on linguistics, language.
Years. What is he doing?
All right, Russell Peters for the hour, you know, or a half hour, whatever it was.
Being the love letters of Zelda and Scott Fitzgerald with back in 1988.
Do you see young fly?
No harm, no foul.
I want to talk about rumors because they're
Outstanding.
I have to get some because I love fragrance.
You know what? You looked like a nurse the whole time, so it was hard to focus.
Tommy Lee Jones or Harrison Ford or...
But some of the guys I beat were quite...
Casey was. But now that you've explained,
You know, can you draw from that or what?
I am, but he just wanted to say hi.
Mr. Woodchuck, because I can't.
Boy, killing it.
Be well. Take care, my friend.
See, with darkness and light, it has to be set.
In the United States of America